Let's say you want to create a bit list. It should contain all numbers from 2 to the power of the index, which has a maximum size of 8. How are you going to do that? First you will probably declare a list, then you will iterate through the range of 8. In this iterator you will append 2 to the power of the index. You have now created a bit list. However, there is an easier way to compress this iterator into a single line of code, using list comprehension. You declare the bit list, but this time we put all the code we had into these brackets. As before, we iterate through the range of 8. And the elements we want to append to the list during the iteration are written as the first argument. This just works like the snippet we wrote before. But what if you want to implement an if statement? This is possible by writing one as the last argument, as you can see here. Let's say we want to skip index 3. Now we are missing the number 8 compared to the previous list.